Yeah. Yeah, this one's gonna be very fun. Very fun. Whew. Whew. Oh, what is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the show. Got a little swell. It was supposed to be flat, but we've got a little swell, as you can see, so let's get into it. Rocking the casual wear once again. I said I was gonna start dressing nicer, and I'm gonna hold myself to that. Oh yeah, I see lots of people I know out here. Woo! Is there any way I can get into it? Probably. Woo! 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 Whoa! Woo! Woo! Ew! All right, that's a good one, that's a good one. Sorry I'm not talking a lot. I have to think, because this wind, gotta compensate for the wind. And it's a pain sometimes. Woo! Yeah! That was a fun one. They're all fun ones to me. I just wish they'd come more often. Right off the bat, you think I'm gonna be that lucky? You gonna get that lucky, huh? You gonna get that lucky? No, I believe. I believe. I believe. Woo! Yeah, I believe. Oh, don't lose it, don't lose it, don't lose it, don't lose it. Oh, you didn't lose it. Woo! Ooh. Oh. Oh. It's a nice left. Sort of. It keeps getting weird. It's getting very weird now. Oh, but it still wants to take me. Too weird. Too weird for me. No, it wasn't too weird, it was great. I like weird stuff. You gotta work to stay in them though. Thank goodness I have this here paddle. I gotta get one that heaves up. Like this one. Woo, yeah, I like that one. It's going against the wind though. There's another set coming too. Not as good as that last one, but good enough. Come on now. Foolhardy? Yeah, way foolhardy. Bad idea. Not a dumb idea, but just a bad idea. Woo! All right. I'm trying to catch up with that curl, but I don't think I can make it. I'm not gonna make it. Ooh. Oh man, look at my fancy ass shirt. I'm a mess. Let me straighten this. Whoa. It's gonna be fun. Maybe, let's see. Woo. Haha. Yeah. Yeah, this one's gonna be very fun. Very fun. Woo. Woo. Oh, this wind, man. I'm gonna wiggle around like an idiot. Yeah, the grass may be greener on the other side, but I'm looking for the beach, and there ain't no grass on the beach. Woo! Whoa! looky what we have here. Too bad I waited too long. It's all right. There's more coming. Damn. Here we go. Oh, shit. I got you. Woo. Woo. Yeah. There we go. Running that left, running that left. Woo. Ha ha. Woo. Oh. Left-handed's a little weird for me. That's for sure. I got that one. Nice. Sorry, the talking game is lacking today, guys. Having too much fun. Woo! All right, but I believe that's gonna do it for me today, guys. It's the end of the line. I'm getting hungry. We're running out of waves. The wind is on it. Plus, I'm just hungry, like I said. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, and until next time, keep slipping. Woo!